Hey there, everyone. Have you ever wondered if Stash is just a US-only thing? I mean, it's a pretty popular investment app, right? But is it truly accessible to people outside the US? Let's dive into it. Imagine you're sitting in your living room, sipping on a cup of tea, and you stumble upon a video about Stash. It looks super cool, and you're thinking, man, I wish I could use this. But then, a little voice in your head whispers, wait, is it even available in my country? Addressing the question. So, is Stash only for Americans? Well, the short answer is, not quite. Stash's global expansion. Over the past few years, Stash has been making significant strides in expanding its reach beyond the U.S. borders. They've introduced their services to several countries, catering to a wider audience of investors. Countries where Stash is available. Canada, one of the first countries to get a taste of Stash. UK, the UK market has seen a steady increase in Stash's popularity. Australia, Stash has made a notable entry into the Australian investment scene. Singapore, a strategic move to tap into the growing Asian market. Mexico, Stash has expanded its services to Mexico, catering to a diverse investor base. Factors affecting Stash's availability. While Stash is expanding its global footprint, there are a few factors that might influence its availability in specific countries. Regulatory environment. Each country has its own set of financial regulations. Stash needs to comply with these regulations to operate legally. Market demand. The demand for investment apps like Stash can vary from country to country. Stash is more likely to prioritize markets with high demand. Partnerships and collaborations. Stash often partners with local financial institutions to facilitate its operations. The availability of such partnerships can influence its expansion. How to check Stash availability in your country. If you're curious to know whether Stash is available in your country, here's what you can do. Visit Stash's official website. Check the countries or location section to see if your country is listed. Use a VPN. If your country isn't listed, you can try using a VPN to access the US or UK version of Stash's website. However, be aware that this might not guarantee full functionality. Contact Stash's customer support, reach out to their support team and inquire about the availability of Stash in your region. Benefits of using Stash. Accessibility. Stash's user-friendly interface makes investing accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. Fractional shares. You can invest in small amounts, even if you can't afford a whole share. Automated investing. Stash offers automated investment strategies, making it easy to build a diversified portfolio. Educational resources. The app provides valuable educational content to help you make informed investment decisions. Challenges and considerations. Fees. Be aware of the fees associated with using Stash, including account fees, investment fees, and withdrawal fees. Limited investment options. While Stash offers a variety of investment options, it might not have the same breadth as traditional brokerage firms. Market volatility. Investing involves risk, and the value of your investments can fluctuate. So, is Stash just for Americans? No, it's not. While its global expansion is ongoing, Stash is making significant strides to reach investors in various countries. If you're interested in exploring investment opportunities, Stash might be worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.